Hi everybody, it's Sissy and Munchkin. She's back today. She's doing really well. Except for we have a little chewing problem. Miss Munchkin has decided that she loves remote controls. So she has eaten 2 TV remotes this week. But it's not her fault. It's Mama's fault for putting them where she could get to them. But now they have been safely put away. And she has some lovely little chew bones. But I think she still prefers the remotes, don't you, sweet girl? But anyway, she just wanted to say hey. It's going to be Munchkin's show from now on, right? No? Okay. You go play. Go play, sweet girl. Okay, so I got a few new items at Dollar Tree this week. Not a lot. I've been seeing some people haul some really, really nice stuff, and my local Dollar Tree just hasn't had any. I did find 2 new items, and I'm going to share them with you this first. They are my favorite ones. There's this little decor piece with wolf with the little puppy on it, so you know I'm a sucker for anything puppies. I have to get it. And this mug. I don't really need another mug, but I am all about rescue animals. Your local rescues, your SPCA, ASPC, whatever it is, but any kind of rescue. Don't buy a dog, rescue one. But this was adorable. I just had to have it. And then I got the shower curtain. This is just a home collections, 70-inch by 72. I like to put these in the trunk of my car, so if I take my garbage and it might have a little leaking bag or something. Oh, I got dog hair on my face, but anyway, put this in the trunk, and it kind of takes care of any spills or drips or anything. So, and once it gets nasty or has a smell or anything, I just throw it away. And I picked up a pack of the elastic hair bands. These are actually for craft, so y'all stay tuned for that. And oh, I'm going to put this aside. I got that at Goodwill. I'm going to share that with you in a minute. Picked up some more socks. These are the best socks. The Juncture Women's Athletic Low Cut Socks, 2 pairs. These are really good socks for $1. And I picked up the Daily Defense Fresh Rose Essence. This smells so good, and it's really creamy and it's foamy. It's really good. Sometimes when you get the Dollar Tree body washes, they are really thin and liquidy. This is nice and thick, and it does a really great job, and it smells so good. So this is a repurchase for me. I've gotten that before, and I just love it. I finally found these. I know some other people had hauled these around Christmas time. We never got them. We just got them at my Dollar Tree. The high dome cloche. I picked up 3 of these. My son made me a little sculpture for Christmas of a dachshund, and it'll fit right in here. So I'm going to put it in here, and maybe I'll show it to y'all. He doesn't like for me to show his work, but he is a really good artist. And oh, some more socks. I picked up another pack. And I'm a big Trekkie fan. I'm a geek. And they just happen to have my favorite character from Star Trek, the original series, Mr. Spock, on a pair of socks. So I just had to have it. It's the most random thing I've ever seen in Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe it. So I picked those up, and they had some of Captain Picard, the Next Generations, but I didn't get that. I usually don't buy books at Dollar Tree. Every now and then I see something, and it's just too good to pass up. This is a little book of Shakespeare verses, and it's a bathroom book. It's Flush With Me by Shakespeare. Classic quotations for times of deep thought. For some reason, it struck me as hysterical, so it is culture and crassness all in one, I guess. But like this one on page 49, number 98, that this foul deed shall smell above the earth, where carrion men groaning for burial. So, I mean, come on, y'all. It's just really funny. So I picked it up, and I got some more of these rub-on Crafter Square transfers. I found another little piece of jewelry holder, bracelet holder, and I'm going to do it over and use these on it to match my jewelry box. So I'm going to show y'all that. And I picked up the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Peel Off Mask. That's a great deal for Neutrogena name brand. I love their moisturizer. I use their what is it called? Aqua. Anyway, it's their really deep moisturizing lotion and stuff. Night cream and lotion. So I picked that up. And the rest is very boring stuff, but I'm going to share it with you anyway, because like I said, there wasn't much at my Dollar Trees this week. I picked up some shoelaces. How many pairs? 6 pairs of athletic shoelaces for $1. That's a great deal. And of course my poopy bags. And I love this Goya. It's like chicken bouillon. It's powdered chicken bouillon. I can't talk today. This has some great flavor in it. I love to put this when I put like chicken in the Instapot. I put a pack of this in there, and it's just really, really good flavor. And let's see, this is the Scrub Buddies Magic Erasers. I actually like these better than the Mr. Clean erasers. Plus you get 3 instead of 2. And I just prefer these over the other ones. Something about the other ones, they get gritty and they kind of peel off. I don't like that. And then my favorite toothpaste, the 2-in-1 Colgate Icy Blast Whitening. It's the 4.6 ounce. I love this toothpaste. I always pick it up there. And a few little cleaning products. I got the Stronger Than Dirt Multi-Purpose Cleaner Ajax. The I don't have my glasses on. 16.9 fluid ounces in the orange scent. That's really good, and it's is it antibacterial? I don't think so. It just says Stronger Than Dirt. But anyway, it smells really good, so I like that. And then I got some LA Awesome window cleaner with vinegar. That's my favorite. And one more last product that I'm going to give a try is the Bolero Paper Facial Mask Hibiscus Rose. So I picked that up. I'm going to give that a try. I'm a sucker for any kind of mask or anything like that, trying to take care of the skin, since I didn't do it in my youth, trying to catch up now. But anyway, y'all, let me share with you. I picked this little dress up at Goodwill. I've been trying to find a little doggy dress for my little Munchkin, and they're really expensive, and I did get one, but it didn't fit right, so I am going to adjust this and make a little doggy dress for my baby. And I will show y'all how I do that. And I've got some other things from Goodwill, and I'm going to do a video of the haul and then what I do with them, so y'all stay tuned for that. But anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.